All right, we just finished with the 2006 Toyota Corolla Alternator, easiest alternator in the world. Maybe a 4E350 is pretty easy too, but an Infiniti QX60 is like 2 days of work, and this was like 30 to 40 minutes of work, maybe an hour. You gotta get all your tools in line and everything, but actual work maybe 30 minutes. So we got the 10mm charging cable on. We got this clip back on. We got the electrical connector on. We got the strap back on and a little thing for the air conditioning activator, AC compressor activator wire on. Serpentine belt is all good. We took out our serpentine tool and we're ready to start the car. So it's 12.7 volts. This is a brand new battery. And so once it's charged, it goes up to 13 or 14. Ready?
No?
Oh, yeah, we do. Put that back. And get a 10mm and tighten that. We didn't touch the 10mm on the... Again, snug, but not tighten. Whatever you do, don't touch this side, okay?
Yeah.
Don't touch the positive. That'll be like a giant spark.
Okay.
All right. We're at 12.7. Let's see, 14. Yay, we got 14. It's charging. And does that noise went away? I don't think it's the sound as loud.
It's not as loud. I think it went away.
All right, so we fixed two birds with one stone.
Yeah.
The noise and the alternator got fixed. So I can see your valve cover getting kind of like leaky. So you just have to remove this guy and replace that gasket material, which is this material right here. This is metal. This is metal. In the middle, it's like plastic, and so it's like a $30 part, but like an hour worth of work.
Okay.
All right. This car has how many miles?
177.
All right, 177. This car, every time you disconnect the battery and you run it, the car doesn't like to run very well. It's because probably things are aging and the computer takes a time to figure out how to inject the right amount of gas. And so last time we changed the starter in this car and the car went horrible. It even died, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we just kept on using it and the computer learned it. It just went better all by itself. Yep. That's the learning feature. I think GM calls it like integrated block learn or something, but I forgot it's like long-term and short-term filtering.